Have you ever heard someone say, that might hurt your credit score? But what exactly does that mean? Today we're breaking down what a credit score is, how it's calculated, and why it matters more than you might think. A credit score is a three-digit number that represents how trustworthy you are when it comes to borrowing money. Think of it like a financial report card. The most common scoring system in the US is the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850. A score below 580 is considered poor. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is very good. And 800 and above is excellent. The higher your score, the more confidence lenders have that you'll pay them back on time. Your credit score isn't random. It's based on 5 main factors. Payment history, 35%. Do you pay your bills on time? Even one missed payment can have a big impact. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're actually using. Keeping it below 30% is ideal. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've had accounts open, the better. Credit mix, 10%. Lenders like to see a variety such as credit cards, auto loans, or a mortgage. New credit inquiries, 10%. Too many applications in a short time can raise red flags. So it's not just about having a credit card, it's about how you manage it over time. Your credit score can affect major parts of your life. A good score can help you qualify for loans and credit cards, get you lower interest rates, which means saving money over time, make it easier to rent an apartment or even land certain jobs. On the flip side, a poor score can make borrowing more expensive or even impossible. In other words, your credit score doesn't just affect your finances, it can shape your lifestyle and opportunities. The good news? You can improve your score, pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, avoid unnecessary debt, and check your credit report regularly for errors. Small, consistent habits can lead to big improvements over time. Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial habits. The better you manage your credit today, the more doors will open tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to take control of their financial future.